Hi folks, this is my unboxing video for the Mr. Jones watch, the Vingt Mille. Just got this in the mail in the US from, I think it London. And so let's open it up. It came pretty fast for free shipping. And I am a scuba diver, so really excited to check out this watch. Not because it's a dive watch, it's not, but because it is ocean inspired. And well, got my receipt, and here's what the packaging looks like. You can see the case back. I had it personalized. So all right, let's open it up. And yeah, packaging looks good. Mr. Jones watch, the Vingt Mille, designed by Fanny Shorter, made in London. Now, Vingt Mille, written V-I-N-G-T, so you'd think Vingt, but Vingt Mille is 20,000 in French. And this is, of course, reference to the Jules Verne novel 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. And as you can see, what this is it's a giant squid. And the squid has taken a hold of two divers, and the divers represent the hour and the minute. That's interesting. Not sure what that's for. Maybe it's just a design element over here. This MJW. Looks like this is the only. It's interesting. It's an unsigned crown, but this is signed, but it's not sure what it is. All right. So let me set the time. It is 1:56 p.m. Okay. So let's pull it out. And I will say that that's the minute. And the diver that's farther out is the minute. And the diver that's closer to the center is the hour. So let's get to... One thing I really like is they have these really subtle hour markers on the outside. So this isn't actually even a watch that's very hard to read, which I really like. And again, it's almost 2 p.m. over here. So let's get it to that. Here we are at 1 p.m. And here we are at right before 2 p.m. Perfect. Time is set. That was easy. This is beautiful. I love this. And it's not just like, you know, a tentacle that moves for each of these divers, but a decent part of this giant squid. So I think visually it just continues to, you know, evolve over the course of the day. And you can see the background is the blue sea, but with bubbles. And again, I think it's really neat that they have very subtly included these little blue dots for the hour markers, making it just easier to read. And oh, I think I'm a big fan of this watch. Now, I paid, so this is for $245 US. I paid $13 to do an engraving. There's another watch on Mr. Jones' website, which on the minute hand, it said, you will die. On the hour, it said, remember. So remember, you will die. And I just liked that so much, but I didn't want to have it on the dial. I think maybe that's too much of a reminder too on the nose. So I think case back you see enough. And that, you know, I like this here. Remember, you will die. So, you know, keep in mind that, you know, time is precious. Really like this bracelet. I think these are called Milanese. So I'm gonna put this on the wrist, take off my Casio data bank, and let's see what it looks like. These are also really easy to adjust, the Milanese. So I will do that, but just to give you a sense, that's a really nice signed clasp, really easy. Yeah. So just to give you a sense, this is on a well, you know, 6.5 to 6 3/4 inch wrist, depending on everything. I think it's a great size. I really do. I don't remember the official dimensions, but on 6.5 to 6 3/4 wrist, quite good. Maybe one thing I don't like is these quick release things. Actually, I don't know. I changed my mind. I think it gives it a neat. I don't think it detracts so much. It's a, you know, it's a metal industrial type situation, and I don't think it's bad to look at. Yeah, no, I'm really happy with this. So again, $245, $13 personalization fee for putting this on the back. Delivered to the US, free shipping, but with taxes where I am in Northern Virginia, I paid total of $270. And again, this is the Vingt Mille. Oh, and another piece of trivia, Mille, well, Vingt Mille is 20,000, but the book is 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, and I think people often are like, well, hang on a second, what exactly is a league? And it's actually a measure, a nautical league is a very, very significant distance. So 20,000 leagues under the sea is actually way, way, way deeper than the sea goes. Way, way, way deeper by a factor in multiple digits. Because the deepest part of the ocean is the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, and that goes about 11 kilometers. That's about the deepest part of the ocean. But yep, it's an old book, fiction. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea inspired this watch. The Vingt Mille. I'm going to wear this today. This is beautiful. Looking forward to wearing this a lot, actually. Thanks for watching.